Huddersfield.
Huddersfield.
Huddersfield. Lis City. Albino Brothers is inviting you officially. Oya Dukwegu on Saturday, 8th March 2025. At Bongo Restaurant. I na bia with Angelique Nwanne. Sorry. Angelique, can you
People of Huddersfield, Saturday, 8th of March is one night you cannot afford to miss. Come out and have the Albino Brothers crack your ribs.
Why not get your tickets? Okay, make it sense. Oga tokoto. Achukatega na chusibia kwa anwale maka BP. Piano ka inwa anwale. I wish na inwe postcode onye obuna ma bia ba no na akpọpụta no ofu. Man anyway, ejim list of all my friends be na Huddersfield. Nda wanji list fa mkpọ gafa. Achọrọ m ịchọ ga achọ. Mweno lava is our present is here ndozo. Mmadụ dịka Chief John Chijoke, aka ekpuchi ọnwa nke isisi. Aka ekpuchi ọnwa because we need you there. Dr. Emma Nwofe, Igbo Union Yorkshire President, Presido, because Ibabidul members in Mazi Fanny Eke, Nze Ima Okenwa, Nze Ferdinand Mobo, Chief Zebedi Oheri, Nze Nnamdi Onwubiko, Mazi Max, Nze Chuks Nnoma, Chief Charles Eneberi, Mazi Gabriel Ajoko, Vice President Igbo Union Yorkshire, because I actually tune nacho. I tune nacho. Hey. I don't work all day. I tune nacho, man. I wanna hear tune nacho. So Huddersfield, we're coming through. Hey, na be making it. A follow madam making it. Now, yeah. August
Be there.
8th of March. Get your tickets. I love you. Hi, Chifu, welcome,